right, welcome back, Bengals. So today I'm going to be demonstrating a little lab. It's called What's the Evidence? So you're going to be looking again at signs of a chemical change. We're going to be mixing a couple different formulas. What you see in front of you, maybe my cameraman can come zoom in on this so y'all can get a close-up. The solution is iron chloride. So this is iron chloride in the solid state, and then we've got iron chloride just mixed with water. So what I'm going to be doing today is taking the temperature after I add a couple of different solutions. The first one I'm going to be adding is ammonia. So I'm going to be adding about 5 drops of ammonia. I've got 2 test tubes already pre-measured with 20 milliliters of the iron chloride. So what you've got really is we had some solid iron chloride and we put it in here, we shook it up, we agitated it until it dissolved. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop in about 5 drops of ammonia. But before I do that, I want to take an initial temperature. So I'm going to use that. We've got 22.7 degrees Celsius, and that's before. So I'm going to add in my drops. 1, 2. And it's probably hard to see from back there, but do y'all remember what forms when you mix 2 solutions together and it forms a solid? A precipitate. So cameraman, if you can come up here, so zoom in. And we got 22.7 as right here at the top. We kind of have a precipitate that formed, okay? So again, this was after mixing 5 drops of ammonia. And I'm going to take another temperature. We're just going to check to see if it increased. We're at 22.8. Ideally, I would do this every 30 seconds for 5 minutes, but we're going to shorten it up. And I can tell you right now that the temperature is not going to change. All that really happened was we had a slight formation of a solid at the top known as a precipitate. So then the next part is I'm going to be adding a piece of aluminum foil, and I'll drop it in there. I'm going to use the thermometer over here to kind of get it to go down there. But before I do that again, I'm going to take one final temperature over here. 22.7, so like I said, it's not going to really go anywhere. So I'm going to kind of ball up this aluminum foil, and I'm going to add it into our iron chloride, and we're going to see if anything drastic happens. Temperature 22.8, so it's about the same as the other one when we added the ammonia. Same thing with this, we would wait 5 minutes, we would take the temperature every 30 seconds, we're going to speed it up. And really, there's not a whole lot going on, nothing's happening, I don't see any gas bubbles. It's still at 22.7, and it pretty much is going to stay at that temperature. So on this side we had our ammonia, temperature didn't increase, we had a slight precipitate form. When we added the aluminum foil on this sample of the iron chloride, no gas production, no precipitates forming, I don't see a color change. So the next video you will see tomorrow, I'm going to be mixing with the same 2 substances. I'll be mixing copper chloride. So we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.